up, y'all? It's your girl DéjaNikira here. Today's video is a tutorial on how I revived, restyled, recreated this old wig that I found in my room. New York's weather has been fugazi this summer. It is hot. It is hot. It is hot. And I didn't want to chop up any of my newer wigs, so I found this wig and I said, let's see what we can do with this. So right now, I'm just detangling the hair with my trusty dusty paddle brush. And then with my flat iron, which I believe is on 400 degrees, I'm just going through and straightening the hair because I don't even know what style this wig was in. I see like leftover curls, some crimps or something. I have no clue, but I'm just going to go through and straighten the entire head before we get to cutting. So I was finding this video to be a little repetitive and boring, seeming that I was just taking forever to straighten this hair. So I just cut forward and skipped to the good part to where I'm almost finished. So now that the hair is straightened, I'm going in with my razor. So you could use shears or the razor comb, but I think going in with the electric clippers is a way easier and faster and more controlled method of cutting this hair, especially because I want a very blunt cut. All I did at first, you'll see at the end, I actually decided I was gonna bump the ends a little bit, but I just felt like this process makes cutting so much easier, because if you do not cut straight or you do not cut all the way through, the next thing you know, your bob looks choppy, it's asymmetrical when you didn't want it to be asymmetrical. A lot can go wrong with cutting hair, so using the electric clippers definitely helps. So I'm just doing that around the entire head just to give you that precise, sharp cut. Right here was completely just freestyled. I don't know what possessed me to do this, but when I put the comb in and left it there, it stayed. So cutting it that way allowed me to keep a straight line all the way across without getting a little too high or too low on one side. So this wig was definitely thicker than a normal density wig would be for a bob. So the blunt cut wasn't really giving me the vibe that I wanted. So I went in with my flat iron again and just bumped the ends a little bit so it would look a little more cleaner. So right here off camera, I did take some sheen and holding spray and just sprayed the top to get rid of any flyaways on the closure. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like always, stay cute and stay blessed, y'all.